Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, I've got some tips for finding messages and files in Teams. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, first of all, let's look at the command bar. The command bar is useful if you don't know where the file or message is and you want to do a broad search across all your teams and channels. You can type in a keyword at the top of the Teams window here in the command bar. When you press enter, the results will appear in the left-hand rail. You can filter the results by messages, people, and files. And when you click on the result, you'll see it displayed on the right-hand side. If it's a file, it'll open up on the right-hand side. And if it's a message, you'll see the corresponding message highlighted in yellow so it's easy to find. The next tip is to use the find command. This is great for finding messages if you know which channel or chat they're in, but you don't want to have to go scrolling through the whole thread to find it. When you type /find into the command bar and then hit return, it asks you to choose a channel or a chat to search in. It will offer you the most recently used channels and chats in the list here, so you can pick one if you see it. You can also type in the name of a channel, chat, or meeting that you've had. I'm just going to choose the design channel from this team and press return, and you'll now see it resolved next to the find command. So now you can type in the keyword that you want to search the channel for, and I'm going to type mockup. Now I can see the result below, and when I click on it, I can see the message on the right hand side highlighted in yellow. The next tip is to use the files command. That makes finding files really easy. This is useful if you know part of the name of the file that you're looking for and you don't want to have to go hunting through all the teams and channels that it might be in. Using the /files command takes your search keyword and looks across all the teams that you're a member of and returns the results as suggestions right in the command bar. You just need to type in /files and then hit return. Then type any part of the file's title that you can remember. I'm going to type finance. It will then list all the files below, and they're usually sorted by which one was opened by you most recently. Then you can select the file and it will open it right there in Teams. So there's your 3 tips for finding messages and files in Teams. Happy searching, and I'll see you next time.